तो इंजीनियर्स कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। तो आज हम सीखेंगे हाउ टू इंपोर्ट AVV HMI टैग्स टैग फाइल। This one is import dictionary and select file, go to folder, this one is last video import file. This one is add tag done. Highlight tag, double click, now is tag is add done, and then you see the display and add tag in light link tag, and select tag, down. This one is select tag. Okay, you can see it, edit and tag, another tag add. This one tag is okay. Then can you see the link, data link add tag? Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.